Hi, my name is Niharika Kolte Alekar and I'm the founder and CEO of a drone company called Volar Alta. We specialize in conducting confined spaces inspections in process industries like cement, chemical, steel, oil and gas, etc. We also do different kinds of NDT inspections such as thermographic testing, ultrasonic thickness measurement, etc. along with visual inspections. The drones that we use, right, these are specialized drones which can operate in confined spaces, which means they can go in GPS denied environments. They have their own LED systems, they have anti-collision sensors, it has a protective gauge, etc. And we can literally go very close to the walls of the equipment to get a detailed and a closer look at the anomalies, right? Apart from that, the ultrasonic thickness measurement is the first contact type NDT test that is being done using drones. On top of all of this, we also have our proprietary AI tool, which digitizes the entire process, right from booking an inspection to actually viewing your technical reports and deriving some inferences from it for the business. So all in all, it's an ecosystem approach and we're able to bring everything under one roof when it comes to industrial inspections.